new decal on an Alliance MD2. First, get your machine prepped like in our previous video. You can see it doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's clean, and when you rub your bare hands over it, it's smooth all the way around. All you're going to need to install your new decal is a paper towel. First, dry fit your decal. Make sure you have the right one. You don't want to get part way in with the wrong size. Okay. All you want to do is, starting on the left side of the decal, peel the edge of the backing off. You don't want to go far, just, I don't know, 6 inches or so. Now, keep this part off the machine so it doesn't stick. Line your decal up nice and even. Make sure these holes are even, buttons here, and the opening for your coin drop. Get it all as close as you can. Check your top edge here, make sure it doesn't look crooked. Once you have it where you want it, hold it as tight as you can with your left hand. Take your paper towel and just start the edge. Once you have that started, no bubbles, just grab your backing and start working your way down. And that's it. Now, I highly recommend using the dry paper towel method rather than soapy water. We've had large brand new machines directly from the factory with huge bubbles in the decal because they use soap and water at the factory to install them. It only takes a very small amount of water behind the decal and a little bit of heat to cause it to expand and bubble out on you. If you didn't get the part numbers in our last video, here are the Huebsch MD2 decals and the Speed Queen, along with the on and bleach light. There's a good chance you'll break those.